Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Stfx token. That is the name of the token, that is also the ticker symbol for this token. This token just got listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap, brand new listing. It's sitting at about 3.59 cents per token. It's actually down 15% today, not doing so hot today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Stfx. So their official webpage is sale.stfx.io or alpha.stfx.io. Most likely stfx.io works as well, but it does not have that listed here on CoinMarketCap. Don't quote me on that though, but those are the two web pages that they have listed on here. They also have docs. You can find docs at docs.stfx.io. They have a Discord, Telegram, Etherscan, price chart, contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Stfx for, totally screwed that up. You would trade your Ethereum for the Stfx token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their Etherscan, or most likely you could find it on their documents and web page as well. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. And just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, according to their Etherscan right now, they have 1,801 holders, 4,347 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Also, their white paper or document section has frequently asked questions. It's got a user guide, token information, roadmap, terms and conditions, all these things, all the links to all their socials and everything like that. So this is the Stfx protocol, a DeFi marketplace for investable trades. Stfx stands for Single Trade Finance Exchange, and it's a DeFi and SocialFi protocol for short-term asset management. We are pioneering a concept of single trade vaults, short duration, non-custodial active asset management vaults that are dedicated to one trade. Think of them as mini vaults that only exist for the duration of one trade. STVs stand in contrast to long-term continuous multi-asset portfolios that have existed in DeFi and TradeFi to date. Our idea is simple. One STV equals one vault equals one trade. Stfx allows users to create or invest in short-term STVs focused on a single trade. Once in a while, many of us find an incredible trading opportunity. Until today, all you could do in such a situation was share your trade setup with your friends, a Twitter, Discord, or Telegram. Besides trading your idea yourself, there is no way to share your opportunity directly or with others or to monetize it. The Stfx platform allows you to turn your trade setup into an easily investable vault, which can be joined by a community in minutes. So it's on the Ethereum blockchain, 1 billion tokens total supply. So what is an STV? It stands for Single Trade Vault. It is a new DeFi primitive pioneered by the Stfx platform. Each STV is a DeFi vault managed by a unique trader who is executing their proposed trading idea. An STV is strictly focused on executing one trade only. The execution of the trade occurs on a decentralized derivatives exchange, so everything is fully on-chain and non-custodial. Anyone is free to create or join an STV. When someone creates an STV, they have to fill a series of parameters like asset, direction, leverage, planned entry, planned target, etc. Planned entry is simply a price the STV manager is thinking of deploying in their trade. It is not binding and not a limit order. The STV manager will manually choose when and at which price to deploy their STV later after the vault has raised money. Planned target is simply the price of the STV manager is thinking of closing at that trade. It is not binding and not a limit order, so the STV manager will manually choose when and which price to close their STV in the future after the STV has been deployed. So there is user guides on how to do all those things like I mentioned earlier. Tokenomics are on here as well. This is a utility token with a hard cap supply of 1 billion units, set to exhibit deflationary properties over time. Stfx is designed as a utility token that services many key functions within the network. So the Stfx platform doesn't charge any management fees. Instead, performance fees are charged on profitable vaults only. Managers will receive 15% of the profits earned by their vaults. The protocol will receive 5% of the profits earned by the vaults. No fees will be levied on vaults that close or break even or have a loss. Now, the value accrual, Stfx stakers will receive claim of 80% of the protocol revenue, with the remaining 20% going to the DAO treasury. Now there's a fee rebate, there's governance decisions, STV capacity, STV advertising, and priority access. Allocation, basically 5% of the tokens go to future contributors, 25% DAO treasury, 10% seed investors, 15% public round, 20% team, and 25% community. Now the roadmap on here started with, they basically started in February 2022 with V1 design, MVP developed, and then March vault creation, browse current vaults, then April join the managed vaults, claim profits, then May receive a grant from PERP protocol, past investments, user profile integration, then in June new design, leverage added, fee structure implemented, July, $2 million seed raise completed, Stfx DAO formalized. Then in August, Twitter integration, shareable links to vaults, alpha leaderboards. And then in September, GMX integration, trade management toolbox, Stfx ambassador program launch. Then in October, open trades early, alpha mainnet competition, filters, Stfx Academy launch, and then cancel STV. Then November, alpha mainnet ended, chat box, close fundraising early, simultaneously SL plus TP, evaluation log, GMX, Stfx proposal approved, STV cap raised, and then December it says they got a CERTIC audit. So they have a full CERTIC audit somewhere on here, events log, action, and then this year they've already done the token whitelist and token sale. Coming up next is STFX 2.0, Avalanche integration, spot trading, live charts, multiple languages, liquidity mining, P&L charts, counter trade, clans, more integration, performance mining, reputation, capacity, options trading, conditional vaults, investor copy trading, SDK, APY for algorithmic creation and investments, search and alliances. And so that's all coming up. You can check this token out on CoinMarketCap, Stfx. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.